What is up, guys? It's Silver, and today we are covering the Skylander Warnado. So let's start off by talking about his design. Now here we can see Warnado is a turtle with a spiky shell. He's blue, and his shell is kind of white-ish. Well, a light blue. And on the portal, his shell glows when you have his light core version, which I think is really cool. Now to talk about his lore. Warnado was just a normal turtle leg who happened to get sucked into a mystical storm. Once he was in that storm and he hatched, he learned a bunch of secrets of wind power. Once he was out of the storm, he was very confused to be on not moving land, so he spun around a bunch until Whirlwind found him and brought him to Eon, and Eon was like, yo, let's make this bitch a Skylander. Now his moves. His first attack is just him spinning around and launching himself at enemies. His second attack creates a tornado, and his third attack makes himself a tornado with shells that you can throw at enemies by pressing X. Now to see how he fares in combat. His third attack allows you to throw shells at enemies, which is very good when you want to keep your distance. As you can see me here. I'm not playing that well. But you can also spam his first attack, and his second can easily suck enemies into it and cause them to slow down and not be able to attack. He does very well in this fight against Slobber Trap, so I'd say he's pretty solid. My overall opinion on Warnado is probably clouded by nostalgia, because he's one of the few Skylanders I can actually remember getting when I was a kid, but I think he's a very solid Skylander and very fun to play with. If you see him in your local used video game store, I recommend picking him up.